we're going to make the best pad thai ever. Let's begin with the sauce. 40 grams of palm sugar, melt it slowly until it caramelizes. A tablespoon of water just to ease up the melting process of the palm sugar. Fish sauce. Tamarind paste, about 4 tablespoons. You can absolutely make a big batch of the sauce beforehand and store it in your fridge for whenever you need pad thai. I have my rice noodles and I soak them for an hour. This is the only time where it's allowed to cut any type of noodle. So we're gonna cut it to half its size just so we can toss it easier in the pan. And it's time to cook the pad thai. When you have everything prepped, it's gonna be really easy and really fast. I'm going to use shrimp. I marinated it in soy sauce. You can use chicken or just tofu or any protein that you prefer. It is absolutely fine. Traditionally, pad thais are made in a wok, but today I'm going to use my pan just to showcase to you guys that you can create any authentic recipe at home with whatever tools you have. You don't need to go and buy and get anything just for this recipe. Shrimps don't require much cooking at all. I'm going to saute them for 30 seconds on each side on high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Smells amazing! You want high oil. I say high oil, I meant high heat. So what we're doing is just browning the tofu, browning the shallots, the garlic. We want to smell those beautiful fragrances, and then we can add the rest of the ingredients. You want to make sure that there's oil in the pan so the noodles don't stick together. We kept the heat to a simmer. We're going to add the vegetables, bean sprouts, garlic chives, and peanuts.